Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn how to add a slideshow repeater on Wix Studio. So right here, I have a sample. So this one, I created this recently. So I'm going to show you on how you can make this one. Just go to Wix Studio and then make sure to log in to your account. Then of course, I am going to show you by creating a new site for this one. Okay, but of course you should make a slideshow repeater to your existing site. So I'm going to click on the create new site right here at the top right and click on studio blank canvas. So next, just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're here, the next thing that you should do is to click on the plus icon at the top left or the add elements option. Okay, this one. And then go to the layout tools. That's right. And then under the layout tools, we have very different options. So just click on the slideshow repeaters. Okay, and then I'm going to use this commercial. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to click on this one. Now click on the X option. And then the next thing they should do is to stretch it out. So to stretch this image, you just have to simply click on the stretch option or the stretch icon at the top right. So the moment you click on this one, this image will fill up this section. Okay, so the next thing you should do is to remove all of these elements, including the background image. Now the next thing that we should do is to add our own image. So to do that, just go here to the add elements option and click on the quick add, and then click on the image or simply drag and drop it right here and then stretch it out as well. And since this is a repeater, so when we go to the layers option, as you can see right here, when we expand one of these items, as you can see, we have the same element. Since this is a repeater, so whatever kind of elements you're going to add to a specific item, that would be automatically be added to the rest of your items. Okay, so now let us customize this one by one. Just go to that specific item and then click on change image. Then right here we can upload media from our computer or upload media using Wix. So I'm just going to use media from Wix right here and select random images and then click on update. Okay, that's right. And the next thing you should do here is to proceed to the next item and then take note that you can add more items. But for this video, I'm just going to use this 3 different items. Okay, so let me just add this image as well for our second item. And then for the third one or the last one, just click on the item and then click on the change image. Okay, so just make sure that you don't click on the add media. And then I'm going to use this one and then click on update. So once you're done adding all of these images, now we can add more elements. For example, title, you can add paragraph, buttons, and more. So here, let me just go back to the first item and click on the add elements option at the top left once again and go to the quick add. And then here, I'm going to add a title. So just drag and drop it right here. So after that, just go back here and then add a paragraph. So let me just expand this one. But before that, let me add the last element. So just go to the button section. Okay, that's right. And then select your button. So I think I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to drag and drop it right here. Okay, and then the next thing that you should do is to expand or change or adjust the sizes of your element. Okay, so after this one, let me show you when we go back to the layers section. Okay, so let me just type out the text for the first item. So dive with me. Okay, now for the paragraph, we can actually use an AI text generator if we're not ready to add a paragraph right here. So just click on create AI text and then just have to provide this information. Okay, and then after providing your informations, the next thing that you should do is to generate your text. Okay, so make sure that you fill out all of this boxes right here. For example, so what's your business type, what is your business name, then the text type, and then what's the topic of this text, and then just click on create text. Okay, and then after that, just click on use text. Okay, so let me just adjust this one. Okay, so this is for the first item. Now let us try to look at the rest of the items. So for items number 2 and number 3. Okay, so just click on the layers option at the top left below the add elements. So here, as you can see, when you go to item number 2, we have this same elements. Okay, so what you're going to do is to click on that specific item. Then from there, you can customize the text and then the elements that you have added. Okay, so for example, this one for the third one, since our text is not that visible because of the background image, we can actually change the color of this text. Okay, so like that. Okay, and then for the title as well, so I just have to edit these things. But when you go to our layers and then go to item number 1, as you can see, the color of the text changed as well since this is a repeater. Okay, so once you're done finalizing all of the things that you need for this repeater, what we are going to do now is to proceed to the navigation. So here, just click on the navigation, click on settings, and then just have to choose the arrow icon or the navigation icon that you want to use. So you can also use the search bar to tap and then type out arrows. Then here we can see different arrows that we can use. So for example, this one, and then click on choose file. Okay, and then choose what displays, and then if you would like to change the color of this navigation, so just go here at the right side. Okay, and then after that, after adding the navigation both left and right, so we can now preview this one. Okay, so just click on the preview option at the top right. Then when you clicked on this navigation arrow, we can see that our repeater is working. So just make sure that you have to consider the color of the images that you're going to use, since whatever kind of elements that you are going to add to a specific item, it will be added to the rest of the item as well.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.